Hello sir, we develop a PACS software. By using this PACS, we see the image of X-ray, CT, MRI, USG from our laptop and desktop. So here I am showing a demo. I put URL here. Here is the URL, and after putting the URL, this table is coming, and in that table there are 4 columns and one column name. It will be patient name, age, and file name and button. Now after click the view button, you will see the image, and it is prepared in the X-ray machine. So in that way we can see the image of the X-ray machine from our laptop and desktop. So if required, please inform us and we show our demo. Thank you sir.